forward to actually start this intro. But hey guys, this place is so beautiful. Let me even let that one show. This place is so beautiful. The out view of this hotel doesn't actually do justice to the interior of this hotel. So hey guys, it's your radio girl Esther Sunday, and you're welcome to a whole new vlog. How y'all doing? I am live here on the island at Ikoyi. I'm in a hotel for a press junket feature movie. It is titled, the name of the movie is actually Rema and Elena. So we're here to meet the cast, to interview them, to, you know, basically what we really do. You guys know how we do these things, okay? So I came up here and my colleague is still sitting up downstairs. If that guy catch me, I bet look, I sit down. Let me sit down and just enjoy this AC. Find you all my life. I pray for someone like you, and I hope that you feel the same way too. It's so natural to you.
Here. Nyoma is not here. She's Lindsay Amaye, or Liz Benson, that all of you know her as.
And she sends her love.
She sends her love. So then next, let me start with Kelechi Udegbe that plays the
26th of June.
Alright.
June 26th, 2026.
Alright. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready
and Mama out in cinemas, June 26th, 2026.
Tell me, Mega Grit is one of the best relaxer to use. Just look at my hair. I didn't film the process of actually relaxing my hair, but this is so good and I love it so much. I love the outcome and the result after using the Mega Grit relaxer or textilizer, whatever you guys call it. I look like all those models. The only difference is because I did not, what's this thing called? I didn't even enter the dryer because they've taken the light. And I also figured out that rolling my hair is actually a waste of money. It's going to cost much, but at the end of the day, it's still the same thing. It's just like a waste of money. So at the end of the day, I end up not using the dryer. actually seen the process of this lip scrub, the effects on my lips. So what I want to do next is to get like a lip gloss, so that yeah, I can see it honestly, because the down lip is getting really pink. Yeah, so here's an update about yesterday's match. I did not see it, but information got to me that PSG won Arsenal. And look, here's a Chelsea fan. I'm kind of, I don't know if I should be happy about people's downfall, but they're Arsenal. I'm so sorry you lost. Okay, better days ahead. You lost this season, trying this season. At least you won Premier League. You did. Even if you lose Champions League, you guys won Premier League. Today's Sunday morning, and I have not filmed. I would have taken you through the process of how I went to make my hair, got my lashes done. I have an event today. I've been prepping the script for the interviews on the red carpet, and I don't even know why I'm sounding like this. Yeah, I don't have money. Let me tell you, the only money I have like this in the entire world is 2,000 naira, and that's the money that's going to take me down to my place of work. I don't even know I'm going to survive this week. I don't know, honestly. I really do not know. I've used my last card to do fine girl, but I would rather still do this fine girl, because if I do not make my hair and look this good, I will not know where that 20,000 naira or 25k will go to. All of them will be spent on transportation, and it's really paining me. So yeah, what I intend to do this morning.
This is more than Jesus, you are more than gold. I have you, I have everything.
So hi guys, we are live here. I'm live here with my media team at Eco Hotel and Suits. We're here to cover the event for the 4th edition of the Humors Award, okay, 2026. And of course, I will take you guys behind the scene red carpet moment, and also a bit, a glimpse of the awards, okay. That's if we would get to capture moments inside the hall. Yeah, so it's already Gorgeous Sunday. Stick around, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I mean, what the hell are you doing? Subscribe now. Do you want us to beg you? Subscribe, and I will be your favorite host tonight. Yeah.
Talent and creativity. The fashion, amazing. The vibe, premium. And the people, top there. If you're just joining us, this is the 4th edition of the Humo Awards red carpet.
Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I have standing next to me. You don't need any introduction, but let me just give them Good evening, sir. Okay, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, tonight's award. Your name is Great Young Chance. What is Great Young Chance? Personally, let me start with you. What does it mean to you personally?
Hi guys, how you all doing? It's your really Gorgeous Sunday here again. Yes, it's Monday morning, by the way, and I am in the office. Yeah, my boss office actually. The studio is where we actually shoot our content. And if you don't follow us on social media, please do well to follow us on social media at Souls Media, okay? I'm actually the correspondent here in this media firm, meaning I source for news and I also disseminate news information to the public. Okay, so we deliver quality and accurate news. We also cover events, red carpet. We are a
whole media brand. Okay, please follow us and support us. I saw BOVI yesterday. I saw Julius Agu, and I was honored to actually interview them. You guys will get to see the clips here and there. Yes, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Maybe one of these days, I'm just going to tell you how my year started and how it's going. I'm not where I want to be yet, but I've been getting a lot of compliment from people that, oh Esther, I'm so happy for you. You are clearly on the right path. I'm grateful to God for this opportunity. I mean, I don't take it for granted. Yeah, you know, seeing you do what you love and getting paid for it, even if the money is not so much. But I'm putting it out here that God helps me that I get a job at a bigger media firm before the end of this year, probably early next year, because I'm working so much on myself. I want to develop my skills as a better news reader. I really want to develop on my skills. I want to keep improving and learning, and hopefully on this path, being a red carpet host, being a TV presenter, or a TV host, that I get to meet that's the printer, that I get to meet actors along the line that will help me fulfill my destiny, because I also want to go into acting. I will eventually do that in the future. See, you guys have been with me from the start of this journey, and I do not intend to leave you guys alone. I know that few people watch me, and guess what, one thing I want to tell you as a creative is that keep doing what you do, because you don't know who's watching. So I stumbled upon a lady that I followed on TikTok, because she's actually one of us. She's awakening. Okay, she has gone through spiritual awakening, and she was talking about something, right? I followed her because of one content that I really like, and I resonate with it because I agreed with that. I agree with a particular view or opinion about something. Guess what? I saw her at the award yesterday, and I approached her when she was done taking pictures on the red carpet. She was so excited. She hugged me and said, please send me a message on TikTok. I feel like a celebrity with 1.5 followers on TikTok. Someone was able to recognize me. Wow, I feel really I mean, if you know people that you watch, please always appreciate them. If you know me, you see me, you appreciate me. I know I'm not there yet. Yeah, please appreciate me. Thank you. All right, I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, take care, be good, okay, and keep pushing, keep moving.